okay? What do you want to eat?
I'm okay, thank you though.
Oh, dirty myself.
Can I even cut it?
Okay. It's a live food. Ooh.
I'm so surprised. I don't know how to get
Keep looking, okay? Ooh. Uh-oh.
Not a people. There you go. Yeah.
They're picking up.
Oh, did you smell this one? This is my second bait.
It's really cool. They got s'mores. You want s'mores? That's hot. Come here, buddy. Here's Santa Claus. Elias, don't do that. Hold your thing. Let's go see what
Thank you so much.
Sorry.
Hey, you can make a crown. So do you want to make a crown?
Boy, I don't think this is for you. I think it's... Yeah.
That's just one.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, buddy. Yep. Don't touch it. Don't touch. Don't touch. I don't think you can touch it. Yeah. Slender Man. Buddy, buddy. Come here, buddy. I'll get you one later. Let's go over here. Real quick. So go check out some. I got bubble tea. Yo.
Whoa. This is.
They got bubble teas, right? I have to come and get them. Okay.
Hey.
Hi, bud.
There's a balloon.
Nice balloon. How'd you make it? How'd you make it?
There's a balloon.
Yeah. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. These are. Oh. That's not for sale. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Cool.
Hi, how are you doing? You pets in the household?
Oh, I wish I had pets.
Brianna. Cassie, come here real quick.
Chiefs.
Zaire. Oh, what's that one?
I want some, please.
Nana, what's that one?
Pretty cool, buddy. Oh, let's go back on and get some boba tea, I guess. Oh, thank you.
Billy, get over here. I understand that one. I understand.
Let's get some boba tea, okay? About to play some music. No, come on. We're gonna get boba tea. And then we'll go somewhere else, okay?
Do you want me to help you put it on? No, you got it.
No, Elias, come on.
Okay. A little cover on it, like a protective cover.
Hush.
On there for now.
Hush.
Safe.
Hush.
And look at that.
Uh-oh.
Hush.
Get your nose.
That's gonna do it.
I said that. You didn't say to.
Yeah.
Be careful, don't drop it. It's gonna be warm. Okay. You see that? It's like warm. Okay. It's warm, so you'll be okay. You can drink it.
I love it.
Can you get that strawberry sangria?
And then that's it, right?
You want Pocky? Here. Oh, hold on. Let me pay for it first.
One coffee?
Yeah.
Did you pay with cash or card?
Card?
Do you want one of these?
Yeah, one of these you can have it. One of, we can
Keep
pick
it?
one.
The junior bacon cheeseburger?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's the mix of?
Sweet and sour for both.
And what's the drinks?
High C.
What flavor on the high C?
That's it.
That'd be $10.95 first window.
Okay. Thank you. That's the gym. It's a not GNC, it's a Hell Genesis Fitness Club. Hey buddy, you hungry?
Hi.
You hungry? Okay. Okay, big boy. Hold up. We're gonna eat real quick. Here you go. Don't pick your nose, please. There. Don't pick your nose, please. Eat Nuggy. Nuggy. Okay. It's hot. Well, just wait, okay? For the rest of the... Well, as soon as we're done eating, gonna go home and buy Christmas stuff for him already. Get that out the way. And then... I think that's pretty much kind of our little short mini vlog.